Hello, I'll show you how to put the slug in that was printed separately or printed in pieces, and how to put these slugs together. The finished product will look something like this. This has been printed in place, but the end results will look exactly the same. So the pieces printed separately, we'll put it together and it'll be all fully articulated like this slug here. So let's begin. To do that, I'm gonna show you how to do this with one color right now, but the idea would be the same for the two colors. So I like to start with the head and just take it off from the brim. So the underlying is called a brim. It helps it to keep in place when it's printing. So I start with the head, and sometimes the edge is not clean and you can use your nails. I don't have any nails here, so what helps me is I use either a needle nose plier or these wire cutters, and I simply gently grab the edges and I peel it out. We may encounter that, so I'm going to keep the pliers here, but so far this took off really clean, and it's really easy to take off as well too. You can see, and I'll show you a demonstration like here. It isn't exactly too clean. You can see, if I could see in the front of the camera, if you had nails, you can just simply peel off these strings, and I'm just gonna do that to kind of show you. But okay, so now that we have it clean, we want to line up the bottom with the bottom. So here's the head of the snail, and here's the first part of the body. So you can look inside, it's kind of a groove in there, and this has like a little ball. Let me see if I could show up close in the camera. So the idea is to put one edge inside that little groove, and while it's in there, you can just push it and you hear it click. And that's it. That's the whole concept of putting these snails, putting them together. So you rinse and repeat for the next body or next segment of body. Put in there and it clicks, and you can see it's already articulating. You could tell because it rotates, and it won't move that well until you have it all. I mean, it moves, but it won't be so pronounced until you have it all in place. So you repeat the whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and do that here and speed up the process, or speed up the camera. The last part, the tail, would be the most trickiest part. So okay, that completes it. That took me less than 5 minutes, and it's all in now. I think it would have gone in more cleanly. You saw some, I fast forwarded the video, but you saw some instance maybe in the middle. It's the toughest one, and I didn't push it in that hard, and maybe some of these brims were in the way. So if you removed it, I think you would have an easier time to install. As you can see, it's articulating, and it'll be smoother as you work it out, and the more you bend it, the more inside the mechanism will smooth out, and it'll be much more smoother to flex it. And this completes the installation. Thank you.